Class 1, how are you all? I hope that you are helping your mama by doing small things like cleaning your room, keeping your things properly at the proper places. You know, only these small things can help everybody at home and keep the home clean. Okay, and today ma'am is going to tell you a story related to this. Once there was a boy. His name was Raju. He was very good in studies and his teachers also used to praise him a lot. But he had one bad habit. And what was that bad habit? That he never used to keep his things properly at the proper place. And his mother was very upset with this because all the day she has to work, she has to do all this only. She used to keep his toys properly, his clothes properly, and even his books which he studied, he kept them like that on the bed and left them and went to play, and he never kept them properly. So his mother was very upset with all this. So she thought what to do. So she discussed this problem with his grandfather, and to his grandfather told his mother that we are going to play a trick with him. And what was that trick? His grandfather told him that from today you are not going to keep his things properly. Told his mother that now if he wants he will keep his things properly, but you are not going to keep them properly in the proper places. Okay, so the mother said, okay, I will not do this now. So in a few days what happened? All the things started piling up. The books were there, heap of clothes was there, and the toys were here and there. Now, if he wanted to find, Raju wanted to find something, it was very difficult for him. But then also he never bothered. One day he was wearing his favorite coat and his grandfather gave him some biscuits to eat. While he was eating the biscuits, his friend came and he went out to play. And the biscuit was in his hand, so he kept the biscuit in his pocket. Now, after he returned from after playing, what he did, he removed the coat and threw it on his bed or somewhere on the floor, and never bothered about it. After a few days, when he again wanted to wear the same coat, he searched for it, and what he found, that the coat was bitten by a mouse. It was all holes were there in the coat, and he started crying. Then when his mother asked him what happened, he said that this is my favorite coat and see what has happened to it. So his mother and his grandfather told him that because you has kept that biscuit inside it, the mouse came and you had not kept it properly in the cupboard. That's why this all happened. So now he realized his mistake and he promised his grandfather and his mother that he will never do things like this. He will now always keep all his things properly in the cupboard and at their proper places, so that all the things are in neat and tidy and kept properly. So whenever he needs them, he can get them properly. He can get them immediately. Otherwise, he has to search them. So grandfather said that as you have promised to do so, now we will give you a new coat. And so he was very happy. So you all also should do the same thing. You should keep your things properly. Otherwise, you will be in trouble one day or the other. So today's chapter is also based on the same topic. So let's begin to read. So today we are going to read chapter 3, page number 18. The title is Why Did Seema Fall? Okay, so in the title is only a question. But before starting to read, we are going to read some difficult words. So, why did Seema fall? Difficult words. Room, R-O-O-M, room. S-M-A-L-L, small. C-H-A-I-R, chair. You can also speak after me. T-A-B-L-E, table. C-U-R, cur. T-A-I-N-S, curtains. B-E-D, bed. C-O-V-E-R, cover, bed cover. U-N, T-I-D-Y, untidy. T-R-A-I-N, train. So you know the spelling of rain. R-A-I-N you know, and if you are going to add T to it, it will become train. Then T-R-I-P-S, trips. Whenever some toy or something is lying, and if you step over it, you can also trip on that. Then S-C-H-O-O-L, school. B-A-G, bag, school bag. F-L-O-O-R, floor. L-Y-I-N-G, line. S-H-O-E, shoe. U-N, D-E-R, under. Under means below. Like if I'm going to hold this pen and this cap. Now the cap is below the pen. Okay. Then T-E-D-D-Y, teddy. B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. B-O-O-K, book. S-H-E-L-F, bookshelf. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. So you all also have an elbow in your body, right? It is a body part. Show me your elbow. Yes, very good. Now let us read our chapter. Why did Seema fall? This is Seema's room. Whose room it is? Seema's. It is a small room. It has a bed. Can you see a bed? A chair. Can you see a chair? And a table. Okay, the curtains are blue. So what is the color of the curtains? Blue. The bed cover is also blue. So you can see the color of the bed cover. It is also blue. Seema's room is untidy. Untidy means not clean. See, all the things are lying here and there. So this is an untidy room. Her school bag is on the floor. Can you see the school bag? Her books are lying on the bed. See, the books are on the bed. One shoe is on the chair. Can you see this shoe? It is on the chair. Where is the other shoe? So let us find. Where is the other shoe? No. Oh, it's here under the bed. It is under the bed. Seema has many toys. She has a toy train. And where is the toy train? It is on the table. She has a teddy. Where is the teddy? The bookshelf. Seema has 4 toy cars. Where are the toy cars? Here on the bed. She has building blocks. And where are the building blocks? On the floor. Seema likes to play with her toys, but she does not put them back. The blocks are on the floor. We have just seen the toy train is on the table. The toy cars are on the bed. And where is the teddy? The teddy is in the bookshelf. Seema runs into the room. So she has gone out for some work and now she is coming and she is running. She trips on her back and falls. See, she tripped and she has fallen down. She hurts her elbow. Can you see? Blood is coming out. So she has got hurt. She starts crying. Now Seema is crying. What should Seema do so that she does not fall again? So what should Seema do? Seema should also keep her things properly. She should keep her room clean. Like Raju understood, I think Seema has also understood, and now she is going to keep her things properly in their proper places. And will you also do that? Yes? Now we are going to do some exercises. Comprehension. Exercise A. Circle the correct words. Number 1. Seema has a... See, two options are given. Big or small room. So first one is done for you. It is small room. So we are going to circle the correct answer. The bed cover is red or blue. So can you see which color is the bed cover? It is blue. So we are going to circle blue. Seema's room is untidy or clean. So tell me, it is untidy. One shoe is on the bed or chair. It is on the chair. Now, Seema has many or few toys. She has many toys. Now, exercise B. Seema runs into the room. What happens next? Number the sentences. So, we have got 3 sentences. She hurts her elbow. She starts crying. Or she trips on her back and falls. So, first of all, when she runs into the room, what happens? She trips on the back. She trips and falls. Then what will happen? She hurts her elbow. And then she starts crying. So 1, 2 and 3. You are going to number like this. Now exercise C. Answer these questions. Number 1. Which color are the curtains in Seema's room? So what is the color? It is blue. So how will we write? The curtains in Seema's room are blue in color. Where is Seema's school bag? So it is on the floor. Seema's school bag is on the floor. Where are Seema's books? Seema's books are lying on the bed. How many toy cars does Seema have? So how many does she have? She has 4 toy cars. Where is the teddy? The teddy is in the bookshelf. Now here is an assignment just to test your knowledge. What you have to do? You have to read the chapter twice and then you have to do these fill in the blanks yourself. Okay? And you are going to do them independently, right? Bye.